2021 Toyota 4Runner. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It's equipped with many extra conveniences right at your fingertips, including lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver's seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, rear spoiler, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer. Experience the difference. Test drive your dream car today.